Have you ever heard about the fantastic paid network? Does the current legal system come with many hurdles that can drag on for a bit of time? Obviously, yes. It can be pretty complex to follow, and at the same time, costly. On top of that, the coronavirus pandemic has made face-to-face human interaction almost impossible, which has resulted in a backlog of civil cases. Let's talk about the most extensive paid network today. But before we continue, we welcome you to another Defy Oracle's Pick. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay ahead on all our videos. For more updates, you can also check our Twitter account @DefyOracle. Paid Network is here to solve civil case backlog problems by offering a platform where users can resolve legal matters using DeFi tools and extend the already broad list of blockchain use cases into the legal industry. Let's discuss what Paid Network is. When people think about blockchain and decentralized finance, or DeFi applications, their considerations tend to wander only to the money-related sector. The inherent belief is blockchain and DeFi can only disturb the financial industry. dApps like Paid aim to change this line of thought. Paid Network is a DeFi project that's looking to use the advancements made in blockchain to provide clients with an opportunity to possess savvy agreements and policies. There is no denying that the current legal system can be costly, time-consuming, and above all, exceptionally complicated to understand for the typical layman. Numerous people are hesitant to carry out worldwide exchanges, as the legal systems can be a stumbling block over the different countries. The network rehashes the, hitherto, manual civil legal system and brings it up to standard with the advanced world by giving the inside and out a new alternative to the old ways of pursuing legal systems in trade. Through this modern network, clients would have the excellent opportunity to carry out business with anyone, regardless of location. Paid gives its clients a new set of DeFi tools, including staking, escrow, and insurance. These tools support the network to permit its clients to complete their business agreement from the very start to the end using this platform. The network would use its tools to give opportunities to many who might believe it to be out of reach. Clients would be able to invest and participate in such profitable business ventures while depending on the paid network. Pursuing settlements and understandings in this system comes with a level of ease, comfort, and simplicity that drives the old way into the recycle bin. As we expressed earlier, the network utilizes both blockchain and DeFi to expel all of the lax and high inefficiency levels that bug the worldwide legal system. Clients can go after each agreement and settlement with a certain level of new confidence that the system has adapted towards helping them gain and not lose out. The network also seeks to subsidize through a decentralized autonomous initial coin offering to maintain its investors' trust. It implies that displeased investors who are not content with the platform's progress can, at any time, ask for a refund of their initial investments. Partnership with Plasm Network. When creating Paid, the developers planned to only run the network on Polkadot due to its capacity to guarantee a more versatile, interoperable, and secure network. Polkadot appears to be the most competent platform to handle the number of demands that would come with Web 3.0. This played a significant role in their thought process. They also knew that Ethereum's network offers them a developer and client base that shows up very hesitant to try out a modern system. This base would in step remain with Ethereum regardless of the challenges or deficiencies because Ethereum has already set itself up as the #1 DeFi smart contract platform. Knowing how crucial a developer base is to the sector's overall success, the paid developers want to allow this base to recreate something similar to DeFi. They want to enable developers to build decentralized laws too. So how can they strive for the future while also catering to the reluctant base? Through the partnership with Plasm Network comes a game changer that would allow Paid to access both networks. Plasm works as a Layer 1 blockchain that brings the old Ethereum smart contract functionality to the new developmental and evolving Polkadot network. The platform gives an interface between the two, guaranteeing that dApps like Paid can scale, while having a wide array of functionality. Plasm Network offers a level of opportunity that cannot neglect because it gives both platforms the most excellent. Ethereum designers can use the platform to either deploy their smart contracts on ETH or Polkadot with ease. In the long run, it offers fast and high-capacity exchanges. Moreover, it guarantees Ethereum engineers and clients who are a significant base to any projects, victory can be catered to while still enjoying the flexibility and versatility that comes with using Polkadot. Integration with Chainlink VRF. Chainlink is currently one of the leading Oracle solutions in the industry. Paid has entered into an organization with Chainlink, which would permit it to integrate a mathematical verifiable random outcome on its platform. In this case, Chainlink provides an arbitrary function that's verifiable on-chain. It is necessary for the overall success of the network as it entails dealing with sensitive legal matters. Simultaneously, the parties involved in every transaction would want to avoid any form of foul play, which can sour the network's reputation. As such, Chainlink VRF can scientifically confirm each spontaneous decision on the platform and is open for everybody to see. So folks, hope you enjoyed the video so far, but before we move on, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the Crypto Hub to stay up to date, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter for finding more informative content, and keep watching. Here is the more exciting bits of Paid Network. How Paid Network works? Well, let's see. Every exchange on the network utilizes these three simple features. Number 1, smart agreements. Every user that looks to transact on the Paid Network would first create an intelligent agreement that would contain the details of the transacting parties. It means that if Mr. A wants to trade on the network with Mr. B, he would manually input the details of the transaction sent to Mr. B's address. Upon receipt of the agreement, Mr. B would also manually fill in his details and sign the deal, making it legally binding on both parties. Paid Network at that point gives each party an escrow account that consequently disperses each party's right asset in the transaction. Number 2, arbitration. A dispute is a schedule in each human transaction. There would always be parties who either feel unhappy with how their agreements panned out on the system. In situations like this, each dispute goes into arbitration and managed over by a stakeholder network. Here, 3 stakeholders are selected randomly by the network to preside on who should get what pertains to the contract. Enough evidence, including the agreement signed by both parties, is sent to the authorities, who vote based on the available data. The party who wins the arbitration gets to have access to whatever resources they might have agreed upon in the escrow account. Number 3, reputation scoring. Once the transaction has been done, each party would be allowed to rate the reputation of themselves. The parties would take issues like the ease of doing trade, trustworthiness, convenience, and a lot more into consideration before scoring their partner. These scores are open to the general public, who can use the score to decide if they need to transact with a person or not. What about Paid Token? The Paid Network uses the Paid Utility Token for a few reasons. One such is the use of the receipt for the purchase of agreements and membership service fees. Users of the platform will use the token for the common purpose of staking, loaning, and protection. It would also play a role in the platform's reputation scoring and administration purpose. Institutions like schools, financial houses, and many more quickly utilize the advantages that come with blockchain and DeFi. The legal system, however, appears left out in the cold. It is where a platform like Paid Network helps the digitalization of the legal system. Paid offers clients an opportunity to carry out exchanges in a trustworthy, secured, and favorable environment, where each transacted resource is transparent. The network expels the entry barrier, thereby opening the legal system to everybody with access to a versatile device with the internet. Paid Network is one I recommend that you start accumulating due to the strong leadership skills from its founder, Kyle Chassé. He has been busy with the most amazing partnerships with all the top crypto projects. I can only see this going from strength to strength. We hope you better know now about Paid Network blockchain, so don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Hub for more exciting content. We'll keep giving you everything Bitcoin and the crypto world. If you have any questions and want to hear something more unique, add your comment below. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter @DefyOracle. Thanks for watching the Crypto Hub. We'll catch you up in the next video.